The video of today is a 2 bedrooms apartment in Double Bay. My name is Perry and I'm a buyer's agent here in Sydney. There you go. So, balcony, living area, and Double Bay, for people who are not in Sydney, they do not know, one of the hottest spot in Sydney. Is in the eastern suburb of Sydney. And now let's keep describing the apartment. Open living kitchen. I like that table in the middle because creates space. It's very nice. There you go, living room. That's the balcony. Good light. I like the way they've designed it because you can maximize the light they can get from the balcony. There you go, that's Double Bay. And we move now to the bedrooms. There you go, bedroom number 1. Still having the balcony into the bedroom, plus a window, maximizing the light. Very good job for the renovation. And this is the bathroom, freshly renovated. There you go. This property was off market, so I was one of the few got access, and this is the second bedrooms with the balcony as well. As you can see, this property was not styled, it was not ready because I've got access to this property off market. Good apartment, and the value of this property is $1.7 million. Let me know in the comment below what you think, and I'll see you at the next inspection.